Good morning, Ed Mallory here from Florida. I hope this road noise isn't too loud. I wanted to ask you real quick what you're reading or what you're studying right now to become a better you. Me, I've been for a while now. I've been in a lot of Eric Worre stuff, GoPro, and watching a lot of his videos. He has the GoPro YouTube and his website GoPro.com. And I just finished some Donald Miller story brand, which is awesome. And I'm just curious what y'all are reading or what's some of your favorites. Everything Jim Rohn. I listen to most of my education or self-improvement, I would say, is by audiobook or video because I'm on the road a lot. So like right now I can have a audio playing and I'll be on the road about an hour and I can get a lot of good food for my mind, for my mindset while I'm on the road. So why not utilize that time instead of just listening to the same old 80s songs over and over, right? So yeah, put a little comment below. Let me know what books have changed your life or what motivational speaker or teacher has really changed your world. And I really recommend Story Brand by Donald Miller. It's pretty cool. I just watched a workshop he did with some people working on your one-liner when somebody asks, so what do you do, right? And most of us like panic. I know I did. Often someone say, so what do you do? I was like, oh, well, I got this thing. It's pretty cool. So now he teaches you how to come up with something and you learn it and you carry it through your brand and everything, your marketing, your videos and so forth. For example, and it's just a little one-liner. Someone asked me, so what do you do? I said, well, you know how most people can't really enjoy life because they're limited to just their paycheck? Well, I help those people find a better way to earn money so they can start enjoying the fun and fulfilling life they've always wanted. And really? You know, you want them to ask you a question. You want them to say something like, really? So how's that work? What's that all about? So, you know, and then I say, oh, it's quite simple, really. I just connect people with a private membership that can save them thousands of dollars and shows them multiple ways to increase their income. I said, but now's not the time to get into it. And then, you know, I can go into Eric Worre from there and say, hey, now's not the time to get into it. I'm kind of in a hurry, but you seem really sharp. I would like your advice on what I'm doing. If I sent you a link, would you look at it? I said, yeah, sure, I'll look at it. I'm like, great. When do you think you get a chance to look at it for sure? Tuesday night? Okay, so if I call you Wednesday morning, you've looked at it for sure? Yeah. Okay, great. What's the best number and time for me to call? Blah, 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 blah. All right, great. Got to run. See you then. Or talk to you then. That's all Eric Worre GoPro. The professional invite. That'll take you from 5% success rate at getting people to look at your opportunity to, you know, maybe 80%, I think he says. So anyway, put down below what you're reading. I'd love to know. And there's so many good ones out there. I can't wait to read it. Have a great day, Facebook. All my friends. Bye.